Dalia, so tell me where you practice, what's your profession?
I'm a massage therapist. I've been practicing massage therapy for about 18 years.
Oh, nice.
I'm also an esthetician. I currently work at for the Marriott Resort in Pompano Beach.
Yeah, beautiful. So what kind of manual technique you used those 17 years and the ones that you like to use on your patient, on our clients?
From what we just learned?
No, not like before ASTR.
Before ASTR, what kind of techniques? It's basically a Swedish deep tissue, using some range of motion, a little Thai massage, some stretching.
So what made you sign for ASTR class?
I wanted to look for more techniques that would be more helpful to use on my clients, more therapeutic work that is more effective. And
to use it on your clients.
Yeah, to help use it on my clients.
So now today is the last day of the class of the 3 days. So how do you feel after receiving this training? Do you feel you're ready to work on clients, or do you feel you need more work? What do you think about the training you have?
I feel pretty confident in using the tools. I think I'm ready to implement this particular type of work immediately into my sessions. And let's see what happens. Yeah,
awesome. So what do you think about like working with other classmates? Like, did you what kind of result you get, or if you had treatment on yourself, what result do you get from like just working on it during the class?
Well, during the class, working on one of the other students, it was quite amazing how quickly I got the results from just working very little time.
Yeah, what kind of condition? What happened?
He had upper trap tightness, really bad tightness, to the point that it was limiting his range of motion with his arm going up.
Okay, so where you started
So
with him?
when I first started working on him, his range
like
of
this?
motion to the side was like kind of like here.
Okay.
And then when I finished working on his upper trap and his deltoid area, I was able to get him up.
Full range of motion?
Full range of motion.
How
and he was
much
also able to like go back, because before he was kind of like limited to go
stuck on the back. And how much time it took you to get that full range of motion working on him?
Time-wise, I would say less than 10 minutes.
Okay, so what do you think, like doing that practical and getting this result, what do you think about this compared to what you had before using on clients?
I think that this is a lot more effective in a short period of time for the client to get full recovery, or if not, at least a good portion of a recovery, range of motion, or pain-free.
Yeah. So what you would say to colleague massage therapist or healthcare provider about the class?
I would say it's a very worth lecture to get into, looking into, because it's going to help you to become a better therapist, a better healthcare provider, and you will be able to help other people. And also you can help yourself, because you're not working as hard on your body.
The tool is helping you. Instead of using your muscles, you're just using the tool to assist. Awesome.
So you're working smarter, not harder.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.